Well, I was going to go for a morning walk, but I've got a feeling it was dry 5 minutes ago, and now it's just getting heavier and heavier. I'll wait till 7 and go to Starbucks. Another day of rain. Got my favourite song again. It's raining cats and dogs again. The weather's kind of like this song. It's the same every day. So thankfully I've got a spare day here, so I can just do bits and bobs today, and then tomorrow I'm going to try and rent a motorbike and go around the tip of Taiwan, but it's meant to be drier. We'll see what it's like when I wake up tomorrow. What's this guy doing? He's cleaning his raincoat. Done it. Job done. So the rain's calmed down a bit. It's supposed to dry up this afternoon. Time 20 to 11. I've got to go to the bank, get some cash, and I've got a flight out of here next Tuesday. What day is it? Wednesday today. Trying to decide where to go. Same guy turned up as yesterday, Westerner. I realised I took his favourite seat. He went straight and sat in it. I preferred to sit near the window anyway, so I'm happy. It's weird, I checked yesterday morning, I thought there were no PowerPoints here, but there are. Yeah, there's not a lot you can do when the weather's like this. I mean, this is a beach resort basically. Hopefully tomorrow it's dry and I can rent a motorbike and go off and see some stuff. But not today. So I found my Cafe United Bank. It wasn't in 7-Eleven, it was in, I can't remember the name of this supermarket chain. It was in here anyway. They normally always have a Cafe Pacific. So now it's dried up. It was raining cats and dogs this morning, so I've put off my motorbike trip till tomorrow, and I'm hoping it's going to be like this. A bit of blue sky would be nice. Get some nice views of the Pacific Ocean when I head up the east coast. It's 500 NTD for a motorbike, which is about £12.50. That's what the plan is for tomorrow. So
游过去的。这只我不知道是什么。哦。那没有母的。没有母的。我写一下。你要下来了吗？啊？你要下来了吗？你要在这边。可是我们去另外一个。你要下来了吗？我去第一个馆。来了耶！这边啊，这里家吧。比较需要。海报。啊，无聊一点。不是，我是打开。我上个时间久，这个就会。
This is kelp. That's crazy. Big kelp tank. There's people. That's kelp. That's the thing that came up to me.
其实我们有一次就是在阳明轩长，我第一还在我肚子里，但是也是飞下路，就是一直在头上，然后之后都架住了，哦，大红红啊！他小心有眼不是哎。
他们在拍照，那你先不要给他上去。
Spaceships. Wow.